Oh, I have to put this on. Hey, here we are, and it's Palmerston North, and it's a little bit quiet right now, isn't it? Yay, thank goodness for that, because we just had 28 kids with us, didn't we, Quinn?
Yes.
So this is Quinn from Quinn's Quest, and I have known Quinn now for 4 years, which is fantastic, since you were 7.
Yeah.
I know, amazing. So Quinn's hanging out with me for the whole day. This is the school hall here. It looks absolutely fantastic, but we've set it up like a little mini kitchen for the kids, and each class is coming in one by one.
Senior team classes, to be exact, because there's like, if she did the whole school, there'd be like 380 kids to get through.
And we can't do that in one day, can we?
No, we can't.
No. So, hey, if you're watching us live, which maybe you're not because we forgot to tell you we were coming on, then you can say hi to us. But if you're watching us after, you can just listen to us. So can you tell everyone, what did we make today at your school?
Summer spring rolls?
Summer spring rolls.
Summer spring rolls.
Which country are they from?
Vietnam.
Vietnam,
Yeah.
exactly. They're from Vietnam, so they're fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. And what apron are you wearing there, Quinn?
Ronald McDonald has charities.
And why?
Because
What does that signify for you and I?
I've stayed there thousands of times. Oh, someone's watching. It's right there.
Oh, cool. Yay. Hello.
And she likes to cook there.
That's me, Vanessa.
She's a volunteer.
Yep. I'm the ambassador for Ronald McDonald House, and Quinn and I met there 4 years ago, and Quinn was the very first person that I met. Hey, Jan, it's Jan. Say hi, Quinn.
Hi!
Yay! Hello, Jan. I'm here at Parkland School in Palmerston North with Quinn. Sadly, she's in a wheelchair at the moment, but hopefully that's going to be fixed next week. And I've come all the way down here to Palmerston North to visit Quinn and all of the senior kids at Parkland School, and we're cooking today with the whole group. So 120 kids will be cooking, and probably there'll be a stampede of kids here in about 4 minutes. We've already cooked with one class, which was awesome. Yeah, and they really, really loved it.
They were cooperative.
Have a cooperative?
They were
They were cooperative. They were very cooperative. So it was amazing, and I'm thrilled to bits to be here and really, really excited to be able to share Vietnamese cuisine with regional New Zealand and to come and hang out with Quinn, because I've made a promise a very, very, very long time ago that I would come and visit her in Palmerston North, and I'm finally here and it's fantastic. And yep, Quinn, you're going to have to share the recipes later.
Okay.
Awesome. Quinn can definitely do that because she's attending all 4 classes today in this hall. So she's going to be well and truly capable of making Vietnamese spring rolls by the end of this.
I'm the VIP.
Because you're the VIP of the whole occasion. So we're going to tune out now. Someone else is listening as well. So hi to the other person that's jumped on live with us. This is Quinn, and we're in Palmerston North. And we're thrilled to bits to say hi. There she is, whizzing around. It's not her favourite place to be in the wheelchair, but she's the most positive, inspiring person that I have met in a really long time. And it's a privilege to come and be able to hang out with her in Palmerston North and to meet these gorgeous people who are here, and all these amazing kids who are thrilled to see me, and I'm equally as thrilled to be here and working with them. Hope the rest of you all have a fantastic day.
Have a great day!